Cooking food. There are so many ways to cook food. Here are some of the most popular ways people cook. Fried. You can fry food. I like my fried eggs sunny side up. The perfect breakfast with bacon. Deep fried. Fry your food in oil. It's really popular, especially fried chicken. Boiled. You can boil food. Just boil water to 100 degrees Celsius and then put your food in the pot. Microwaved. You can microwave food. It's so fast and easy to do. Baked. You can bake food. I love baked potatoes with butter. But you can bake cakes, pies, and lots of other things. Roasted. You can roast food. Put your meat in the oven and roast each side. Grilled. You can grill or barbecue food. It gives the food a special smoky flavor. Slow cooked. You can slow cook food even from the office. Just know you'll need time, but it is so delicious. Poached. You poach an egg by cooking it in water. It's kind of like boiling it but takes longer, at a lower heat. Air fried. This is a popular cooking method. Just add your food to the air fryer and let it do the rest. Steamed. You can steam food. Steaming keeps in many of the nutrients. It's a healthy method of cooking. Simmered. You can simmer food. It's like frying but at a very low heat. Stewed. Food can be stewed. It makes a delicious gravy as you slow cook meat and other things. Raw. Of course, you can prepare food raw. You don't have to cook a lot of foods. What's your favorite way to cook food? Let us know in the comments, your own preference and why. Thanks for watching.